Aloha, and greetings from Hawaii. I'm Larry Gelwix, the Getaway Guru. Did you know that there are 152 islands and atolls in the state of Hawaii, including 8 major islands? Can you name them? Oahu, Maui, Kauai, and the Big Island, Lanai, Molokai, Kaho'olawe, and the mysterious Forbidden Island of Niihau. Hawaii really is the perfect vacation getaway, but Hawaii has gotten more costly. Here are some helpful hints that can save you a lot of time and money. First, book an air and hotel package where the air and hotel are combined in one very affordable price. It will be less expensive than buying the air and the hotel separately. If you can, avoid the peak season travel, which is holidays, winter and summer, spring break. The best travel value months are Thanksgiving to mid-December, the New Year's weekend to mid-January, and any time in the spring and fall. And ask yourself, do you really need a rental car? If you do, that's fine, but keep in mind that most hotels charge about a $50 parking fee every night for your rental car. When I'm staying in Honolulu, if I need a car to explore the island of Oahu, I'll rent the car in the morning, enjoy the day, and then return it that night to avoid the hotel rental car fee. And if you want to save some money on food, get some fresh fruit, bagels, cereal, OJ, and some milk, and then enjoy your breakfast on your hotel room lanai or balcony. There are so many free activities. Take advantage of them. And the best advice I can give you is quite simple. Always use the services of an experienced and professional travel advisor who will save you time and money. And for the best travel deals on the planet, including Discount Hawaii, give us a call at Morris Columbus Travel.